Gilbert, Arizona. Byron Browne, the anti-lawyer, is what he calls himself. He represents the underdog. All right, let's. Byron, in a case like this where you have a client who is seemingly probably unwilling to really help the defense, if indeed it's true that he wants the death penalty at the end of the day, how do you handle that? How do you proceed? I guess you just do your best and make sure he gets a fair trial?
That's exactly it. That's all you can do at that point. I think he's probably a little bit more involved than we think. The insanity defense, you think his lawyers probably brought that up to him. And I think his desire to be put to death if he's found guilty, I think is some insight into what's happening between he and his lawyers. And so I think he wants to stand trial. I think he wants this publicity because it's clear. I mean, there's nothing that this guy has to defend himself that we know of as we sit here. So it seems like a slam dunk for the prosecution. And I think Guy Jr. wants this publicity. He wants to take the stand. I think we'll wait and see what he does, but that'll be interesting if he does as well.
One of the things brought up this week was the COVID-19 restrictions in the courtroom, and restrictions meaning things are going to be different. There's plexiglass in front of the witnesses. The attorneys will be wearing masks. The jury is spread out in the gallery. So the view to a witness, the intimacy of a normal proceeding is going to be different. Randy, is that a problem? And do you think that that the county should be going forward here with jury trials given the restrictions and given basically the new arena that these trials will be taking place in?
You know, it's only a problem because it's new. It's sort of like, you know, the first trial that had an electric light bulb in it, you know, changed the lighting. But this is going to be the way things happen for the foreseeable future and maybe forever. There are going to be people that are going to wear masks for a long time. Yes, it's a hardship because we're used to being able to read a jury. We want to understand, does the jury accept what we're saying? Did they make, you know, did they smirk? Are they laughing? Are they smiling? Are they sad? It's going to be harder for the lawyers, but it's only harder for the lawyers because we're not used to it as lawyers. But this is something we got to get used to. And I'm glad to see that we are trying to have jury trials because you can't put justice on hold forever.
Bernarda, does it help either side?
Well, both of them are going to be having the same playing field because both of them are going to have access to the same witnesses wearing masks, and both parties are going to be wearing these face shields. So both of them are in an even playing field in that regard. One thing that an attorney may be uncomfortable, I know like myself for the past 16 years, I've been trying cases, is that I like to move around the courtroom. I like to have contact with the jury. I like to have that eye-to-eye contact, those feelings, being able to engage with them. And these attorneys are not going to be able to take advantage of that because they're going to be confined to the podium or their tables, and may even be confined to sitting down while they're asking questions of the witnesses. And what's going to be uncomfortable is that a portion of the jury is going to be sitting behind them. So I'm not sure what kind of accommodations are going to be made for those jurors not to just be looking at the back of the heads of the attorneys, which would be uncomfortable and kind of a bit disrespectful as well.
Byron, your take.
Yeah, I think it's a problem. I think it's a problem for both sides, and I think that they're going to devise strategies to figure it out. I, for one, when I try a case, I like to look at the jury as much as I can. Obviously, when I'm engaged with a cross-examination or a direct examination, I can't. But that's when I have a paralegal or someone that's sitting there that watches the interactions of the jury, their facial expressions. So I think the lawyers will just have to get a little creative. Maybe they'll bring in an extra person from their office to sit there, if possible, with the numbers, to watch the jurors. The jurors do need to be able to see all the evidence, and they need to be able to hear all the witnesses. So that'll be an interesting thing as the trial progresses. I'm imagining some of these jurors will probably ask the judge, maybe they got a hearing issue, so they'll have to bring in different hearing devices for the jurors. There will be hurdles, but I think they can be overcome.
All right, we're going to step aside.